All right, so today is test day. So we are going to go over the PBO or the performance-based objective, and then I'm going to show you how you are going to be assessed today. All right, so the PBO or the objective states for today, students will be able to perform yoga poses in order to manipulate their body to hold a pose. So that's what you are going to be doing on today. The test is going to be stated in the successful part. So I am successful when I can perform 4 different poses while maintaining balance for 3 seconds or longer. You will become exceptional if you are able to hold those 4 different poses for 5 seconds or longer. The 3 main things that I am testing you for is number 1, how well you can balance your body. And balance is an even distribution of weight. So how well you can hold yourself equally on both sides so you don't fall. Number 2, how well you can pose or position your body. So a pose is a specific way of standing, sitting, or just contorting your body. And when you pose, you have to stay still for a period of time. It's like you're posing for a camera. Then number 3 is you understand the concept of different. So when you do the poses, you have to do a variation or something different each time. And if you're able to do all 3 of those things while performing the 4 different poses and maintaining your balance for 3 seconds or longer, you will be successful. So at this time, we're going to practice doing different poses. So follow along with me. And I'm going to change my poses every 5 seconds. And then I will ask you to show me if it's easy, or show me if it's hard by showing me your thumbs up for easy, and then show me a thumbs down if it is hard. So each time I switch, I finish counting. So every time I finish counting, I'm going to ask you if it was easy or if it was hard, and then you will show me. And then I will switch poses and then ask you the same questions, okay? So when it is time for the test, you are creating your own poses, something that you just made up, or you are recalling poses that you already know. If you ever get to a pose and you're like, I don't know what you want to do, just create your own pose and you will be okay. All right, so when you do the test, this test is not designed to be very difficult at all. So it's not designed to be anything difficult. So do the easy poses and you will be successful. For a strategy, is it a good strategy to do all hard poses or all easy poses? All right, so I see that most of you have your thumbs up, so easy poses are the way. I'm going to go ahead and get ready so you can follow along with me so we can practice for the test, and then it will be time for you to do your test. When it is time for you to do your test, I will ask you to turn your camera on. So we're only going to have 3 people going at a time. Everybody else can turn your cameras off, and I'll have a video playing in the background. It will be on mute, so then the people that are being tested can hear what I'm saying. And then if you're waiting to be tested, you can follow along with the video so you can practice on different types of poses and stay engaged. So then when it's time for you to do the test, you are ready to go. All right, are there any questions? All right, so we have gone over the PBO. Now what we're going to do, we're going to practice for the test. So what you're going to do, you're going to follow along with me. I'm going to move into a different position every 5 seconds, and then I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. So when I count down, you have to move and change it to the position with me. And then when I say freeze, you have to hold the pose for 5 seconds. After each of the poses, I'm going to ask you, is it easy? So you're going to give a thumbs up if it's easy, and then give a thumbs down if it is hard. So, fácil in español, o difícil, or difficult, or is hard, okay? We're going to move into the first position. So you're going to sit on the ground and sit a cross-legged position and change 5, change 4, change 3, change 2, change 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, freeze 5. All right, and show me. Easy, give a thumbs up, thumbs down for hard. All right, and switch. 5, switch 4, switch 3, switch 2, switch 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, freeze 5. All right, and relax. And show me. Was the tabletop pose, was it difficult? Give a thumbs down if it was hard, or give a thumbs up if it was easy. So how difficult was it? Hard or easy? All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch to the next pose. So, change 5, change 4, change 3, change 2, and change 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, freeze 5. All right, and show me. Was it easy? Give a thumbs up. Or was it hard? Could you hold a position for 5 seconds? Or could you not hold a position for 5 seconds? All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch. So I've done some floor poses. You can also do standing poses. So we're gonna do tree pose and get in position 5, switch 4, switch 3, switch 2, switch 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, and freeze 5. All right, now show me. Was it easy? Thumbs up. Or was it hard? Give a thumbs down. All right, we're gonna do 2 more poses. And switch 5, switch 4, switch 3, switch 2, and switch 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, and freeze 5. And relax. Or if it's easy for you, you can stay in this pose. So show me. Is it easy? Or was it difficult? All right. All right, the last pose that we are going to do. Trying to think. Okay, so we can do a warrior 3. So you're going to get in position, free, change 5, change 4, change 3, change 2, change 1, and freeze. 1, freeze 2, freeze 3, freeze 4, freeze 5. And show me. Was it easy? Was it hard? Or was it somewhere in between? All right, so good job. Now remember, for the test, you can do any type of pose that you want to do. A good strategy to use for the test are any of the poses that you gave a thumbs up for. Because again, I'm testing you for 3 things. Number 1, that you understand the concept of different. Number 2, you can balance your body. You can also perform poses. All right? So during the test, that's what I am checking for. So don't make this test hard for yourself, because the purpose of this test is to make sure that you understand these 3 concepts, so then we can build onto that. So do easy poses, and then on the next 9 weeks, we are going to build onto this foundation. For additional practice with yoga poses, I have a yoga video. You can check the link right here. If you like the video, you can like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And this time we're gonna do an air 10 in 3, 2, 1, and hit them with a whoa.